This is the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears. This is Goldilocks. Hello, Goldilocks. And this is her mum. Stay in the garden, Goldilocks, says her mum. OK, says Goldilocks. Where are you going, Goldilocks? Oh, Goldilocks. She goes out of the garden and into the forest. Goldilocks likes the forest. It's her favourite place. In the middle of the forest, there is a very old tree. It's a very big tree with a yellow door. The 3 bears live here.
Oh.
Daddy Bear, Mummy Bear, and Baby Bear. The 3 bears like porridge. They eat it for breakfast every day.
I like porridge,
says Daddy Bear.
I like porridge too,
says Mummy Bear.
Porridge is yummy,
says Baby Bear.
I like porridge. I like porridge.
Yum.
Yum, yum.
I like porridge.
I like porridge.
Yum, 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 yum.
But today, the porridge is hot,
Oh, it's hot,
says Daddy Bear.
Oh, it's very hot,
says Mummy Bear.
Ow! It's too hot,
Says Baby Bear.
Let's go for a walk,
Says Daddy Bear. So the 3 bears go for a walk. Oh, there's Goldilocks. Hello, Goldilocks. Are you going home now? Which way is home?
It's this way,
Says Goldilocks.
I think.
Goldilocks is sad. She's hungry. And she's tired. What can you see, Goldilocks? It's a yellow door. Where are you going, Goldilocks? Oh, Goldilocks. Shh. She walks through the door and into the kitchen.
Hello?
Says Goldilocks, but no one's there. Goldilocks can see the porridge. She likes porridge, and she's hungry. What are you thinking, Goldilocks? First, she eats Daddy Bear's porridge. But Daddy Bear's porridge is too hot. Next, she eats Mummy Bear's porridge. But Mummy Bear's porridge is too cold. Then she eats Baby Bear's porridge. Baby Bear's porridge is just right. Goldilocks is tired. What are you thinking, Goldilocks? First, she sits on Daddy Bear's chair. But Daddy Bear's chair is too high. Next, she sits on Mummy Bear's chair. But Mummy Bear's chair is too low. Then she sits on Baby Bear's chair. Baby Bear's chair is just right. Oh, Goldilocks. Goldilocks is very tired now. Where are you going, Goldilocks? Oh, Goldilocks. She goes up the stairs and into the bedroom. First, she lies on Daddy Bear's bed, but Daddy Bear's bed is too hard. Next, she lies on Mummy Bear's bed, but Mummy Bear's bed is too soft. Then she lies on Baby Bear's bed. Baby Bear's bed is just right. Here are the 3 bears. They are very hungry.
Look at my porridge,
says Daddy Bear. He's angry.
Look at my porridge,
says Mummy Bear. She's angry too.
Look at my porridge.
Says Baby Bear.
Where is it?
Oh no,
say the 3 bears.
look at my chair,
says Daddy Bear. He's angry.
look at my chair,
says Mummy Bear. She's angry too.
Look at my chair.
Says Baby Bear.
Where is it?
oh no,
Say the 3 bears. Baby Bear is looking at the floor.
What can you see, Baby Bear?
Asks Mummy Bear.
Look!
Says Baby Bear.
oh no,
Say the 3 bears. The 3 bears go up the stairs and into the bedroom.
look at my bed,
Says Daddy Bear. He's very angry.
look at my bed,
Says Mummy Bear. She's very angry too.
Look at my bed.
Says Baby Bear.
Who's she?
oh no,
Say the 3 bears. Goldilocks is sleeping in Baby Bear's bed. Oh, Goldilocks,
Wake up!
says Baby Bear. Goldilocks wakes up.
Who are you?
Asks Baby Bear.
I'm Goldilocks. Who are you?
Asks Goldilocks.
I'm Baby Bear.
I'm Mummy Bear.
and I'm Daddy Bear.
Why are you lying in Baby Bear's bed? Asks Mummy Bear.
I'm sorry,
Says Goldilocks.
I was tired.
And the porridge?
Asks Daddy Bear.
I'm sorry.
Says Goldilocks.
I was hungry. And my chair.
Asks Baby Bear.
I'm very sorry.
Says Goldilocks. Goldilocks is sad. She wants to go home.
do you want to go home?
Asks Mummy Bear.
We can help you.
Says Daddy Bear. So the 3 bears help Goldilocks. Where are you going, Goldilocks?
I'm going home.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow